When you're responding to a serious issue in front of the media, make sure you appear concerned. Now, this may sound obvious, but sometimes nerves can kick in, or it may be that you're simply not experienced in delivering a credible message. Take a look. So can you tell us what happened?
It was a terrible accident. The crane fell down, fell on top of the building, then the building burst into flames, and we've lost the building and we don't know what's happened to the worker.
Now, that's an exaggerated example, obviously, but you get my drift. What about when there's good news? You'd think that the talent would be upbeat. Brad, congratulations. Your company's been recognised worldwide. Well done.
Yeah, that's really great news. We're all pretty excited. Yeah, the celebrations will go right into the night, we think.
What about that? It looked like the end of the world was about to hit. Credibility is so important when you're delivering your message.